Well, good morning, AP Physics 1. I have your graphing worksheet already brought up in Cami. I'm going to use this tool. And the way this works is this sheet gives you a position time graph up here. And what's strange is that it reformatted it so that these X's disappeared. But these are all position time graphs. And what I want you to understand is that the slope of a position time graph is the velocity graph. So when I look at this slope and I see a positive velocity, and then I'm going to put a little line above it to show that that's positive velocity, well, that slope never changes. So I go down here and I realize that the slope of a position time graph is velocity. So if that's positive velocity, I'm going to label it here. The slope of a velocity time graph is acceleration. And this is giving me no slope. So there's actually no acceleration. So I'm going to come down here and recognize it this way. So I'm going to skip over to this one because the slope is changing. And because the slope of a position time graph is velocity, then this right here is giving me an increasing positive velocity. Yeah, that just means I'm speeding up. That's increasing positive velocity. Okay? What does increasing positive velocity look like down here? That's increasing positive velocity. Look, my slope is one value here. It's another value here, and then a completely other value right there. So that's increasing positive velocity. And the slope of a velocity time graph is acceleration. So now I have positive constant acceleration. And I would come down here and do this. All right. Now, this little curve is kind of missing, so it's kind of doing one of those numbers here. Now look, I have a slope that is increasing in a negative direction. That is increasing negative velocity. What does that look like down here? Looks like this. And then that would be negative acceleration. And that's constant. And then I put that down here. So hopefully that helps you solve the riddle for how to piece in the rest of these. Give it a shot. You may miss some. And then look for the answer on the Weebly and go back and see how you did. Have a great Monday.